Hey guys, so I'm going to start the tutorial, and I've already done my brows. I've used the Black Radiant brow pomade, and I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay primer potion. I really like to get it in the creases of my eyelids because that's where I'm trying to not crease or show. And then I like to use my fingers and just tap it in. And the other one. Now that's finished, we're going to go in with like a second base now. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in 35 deep concealer to prime my eyes, because the shadows that we're going to use, they do stay in your eyes, because I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. So yeah, this palette is discontinued, so I'll probably try to use less of it and probably lean more to the Take Me to Brazil palette. But yeah, and I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to, you know, smooth that out so we have a smooth base. Alright, so I'm going to lightly set this. I didn't really want to, but just went straight in. And what am I doing? I don't normally use sponge to do this. I literally hate talk shows, I swear. Like when you talk in your videos, you kind of connect with the audience more. But yeah, that's why I really push myself to do that. And I want to connect with you guys. I want to connect with you guys. Alright, so it is lightly set, even though I think I kind of overdo it on this one, but it's okay. We're going to use the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go in with these two colors as my transition, right? Then we're going to go in with this beautiful pink. And we're really going to pat this color on, because you want, when you cut your crease, it shows. Oh, I like to blend. I do circular motion, and I do windshield motion. You know what I'm saying? Windshield wiper motion. So you just gotta do what you think is, or what you think works for you. But this is how I do it. You could try my way and see how you feel about it by mixing the two. Some persons, they definitely just do circular motions, and I believe that's a good way too, because the look always come out really blown out. to deepen this pink a little, so I'm gonna go in with this. It's like a burgundy. Is it burgundy? That one. Go in with this purple right here. So when I'm applying dark shadow, I like to tap. First I like to get the excess off, then I like to just pat where I know I want to be the darkest, then I start to blend. The next one I'm going to use is the black, because I want to deepen up the purple a little, and I don't have like a deep purple, so that's like my best option to like mix those. So yeah, that's what we're going to use, and I'm going to use my smaller blending brush. When I'm doing an eye look, I like to zoom in, I like to focus. But hey, I'm gonna challenge myself. This is a challenge, to be honest. That's why I do it. It's a challenge. What I like to do is clean off my brush, and then I just wipe it off on a piece of cloth that I have here, and then I'll just go in and tap it. So guys, from here on we're going to do a voiceover. This pigment is from Amazon, came in a set of like 16, very affordable, and I'm going to apply that to the cut crease with a brush. And then I'm going to add some eyelash glue so I can get the glitters to glue down. Oh my god. And the glitters that I'm using is from Mermaid scale in the style or color coral reef. I think it's color. I'm just trying to pat that in. And then we're going to just move on to the foundation, and I'm using the MAC foundation. I need to try other foundations, you know. I need to. Just gonna buff that out. And I'm going to clean up my brows now, guys. Guys, if you reach this far into the video, remember to hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm trying to reach to 1,000 subscribers. I'm yet to reach 1,000 subscribers. So help a sister out. So we're gonna highlight using LA Pro concealer in the shade Hutan. Guys, I know my voice sounds really bad because I just wake up. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to work, so I'm trying to finish up this video so I can put it out today. So we're just blending out the harsh lines, and I like to use that brush to do that has the remaining foundation on it. I think it just gives the look like a really flawless look. And I know those lines that you're seeing that I don't blend out, I'm going to get to them. I'm coming for you, sis. So we're gonna set with our Sacha Buttercup, and I've always used a brush to set under my eyes. These brush, I really like it. It's really soft. It's by it's by it's my Riri. Really love it. Lately I've been loving to bake, so Been trying that out, see how I like it. Really like it. You know, somebody said to me once that there's a specific ingredient in a powder, setting powder, that will make you have flashback. But I was saying any powder can give you flashback. What's your thoughts? But yeah, so we did contour with the Anastasia contour palette in medium to tan. Then we're going to finish up the eyes. I'm using the purple and that pink, same colors that we use. Top, we're gonna use bottom, and I did use the yellow too, just did not show that I did. Oh guys, and I did set my face with finishing powder by It's Cosmetic. Now guys, I love these lashes. They are from kamyimage. You should definitely check her page out on Instagram and support her. Her lashes is nice. She have different styles, 10 different styles. Now the glitter that we're adding here is by Mermaid Scale in Barbie and Ken. Barbie and Ken. Barbie and Ken. It's really beautiful. So we're going to highlight using its My Ray palette. I love the highlighter in it. It just looks so beautiful on my skin. I like it. And I did set my face with the flower setting spray, and I'm just using my sponge to dab that in. So here I'm cleaning off my lips, take off that excess powder, and I'm using the Loreal lipstick in Saucy Mauve. Yes, so I'm lining my lips here with the NYX brown pencil. I'm all over, right? Then I'm going to add a lip gloss to this, and it's by Revlon Lustrous lip gloss. Yeah, it's really nice, guys, and they're affordable. I need to go get some more. They don't make your lips feel too dry. Now guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is where I'm done, man. I'm done. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you enjoy this video, thumbs it up, because that's the only way I'm going to know if you enjoy these videos. And also share with your friends and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just turn on the post notification so you can know when I upload. Okay guys, and yeah, I really enjoy making this video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys.